Vivo's latest S-series phone called Vivo S50 Pro Mini is now official in China, with a unique rear camera module. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo S50 Pro Mini features a 6.31-inch 1.5K resolution 8T LTPO AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 5000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 840 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and 256 GB or 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo S50 Pro Mini sports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX921 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with another 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 110-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery, with 90 watts wired fast charging support, and 40 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16, based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 150.83 by 71.76 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo S50 Pro Mini has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,699 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage model is priced at 3,999 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 4,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Confession White, Deep Space Black, and Inspiration Purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo S50 Pro Mini smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.